Good day, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I want to really appreciate you guys for getting us to 500 subscribers. I really appreciate, okay? And I also want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance, okay? So today, I want to teach you two Forex psychology tips. I want to give you two tips that has to do with Forex psychology, okay? And the first one is something I picked up from a book I read some time ago, and the title of the book is Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogarth. It's a very good book. Best Loser Wins. You can search for the book, try to get it. It's a very good psychology, Forex psychology book, okay? And in that book, there is a part that says hope is not a strategy. Hope is not a strategy, and that makes a whole lot of sense, because sometimes when you enter a trade, you just keep hoping that the trade will go in your favor even when the trade is already going against you. So because you hope it's going to go in your favor and it's going against you, most times that pushes traders to do what? To move their stop loss. Okay, they move the stop loss position hoping the price is going to move in their favor. And anytime you shift your stop loss position, it implies that you have widened the possibility of having a bigger loss than you would have had, okay? So one of the things he said is, anytime he enters a trade, he assumes he is wrong and waits for the market to prove him right. You understand? So if he has $100 as his account balance and his stop loss has been properly positioned in such a way that, okay, he's going to lose $5. Once he places the trade, he assumes he's wrong and he conditions his mind to believe the $5 is gone. So right now he has $95 as his balance. So he thinks as though he is wrong and then waits for the market to prove him right. So if price goes in his direction, good, that means he's right. But if it goes against him, he already feels he's wrong, so he's not bothered. But the reverse is the case for most traders. Once they enter a trade, they feel they are right. They have done the analysis, they are right, so they can't be wrong. If the price is going against them, then probably they need to shift the stop loss a little bit in order to make some room, because they feel they are right, so the price will still move in their direction. But you know, they realize this the painful way. Even if you shift your stop loss position, price can still decide to keep moving and keep searching for that your stop loss position. Probably price has decided to reverse and it's not going in the direction you thought it was going to go. You understand? So that's the first one. Never move your your stop loss position after you've set it. Okay, it's better to take a small loss than to take a big loss. And there's no problem taking a loss. If you have a good strategy, you are going to recover. Now, the next one I want to talk about, which is the number 2 and the last one for today, is fear of missing out. That's also known as FOMO. Okay, this one is a tricky demon, very tricky. It's going to take over your mind without you even knowing it, especially if you're a beginner trader. You know, I fell victim of this FOMO many times when I started out. And this is how it operates. You already have a strategy. Let me use an horizontal line to quickly explain something. Let me move this horizontal line. Hope you can see the horizontal line. Let me move it to this position. Let's say my strategy is such that I want price to get to that key area, that key level. Let's say this is my key level. This green horizontal line is my key level. So I want price to come up to that key level, and you know, I'll sell once I see confirmation that price is going to reverse at that point. At least I already know that's like a resistance level, so I want price to come up there again, then I'll sell. And you can see what happened. Price got to that point, was unable to break it, formed a double top, and then price moved down. This is a double top, so that could be my own trading strategy. This is a downtrend. Once I have a pullback to a certain level, you know, I'll put a horizontal line there. Once it gets to that level, then I'll sell. This is just like I'm trying to give you an explanation of a strategy. So let's say that's my strategy, okay? Then I come to the charts, and once I'm on the charts, all of this has already happened, and I see these red bars coming in. Oh, the first red bar is already there, second red bar, then you know, price is just moving down. I'm seeing red bars after red bars. The way your mind will operate at that point, your mind will just keep telling you, the FOMO is going to come in and keep telling you, this price is definitely going to go down. It will definitely go down. You can see the red bars coming in. It's definitely going down. Why not tag along? Why not enter? It's going to go down. Can't you see the red bars? If you listen to that voice, you might be lucky to listen to it, and it's going to pay out. It's going to work well. It will play out the way you want it to play out. But if it plays out, it's going to make you think that's the right way to trade, meaning you are going to do it again. And in doing it again, one day you learn your lesson the hard way. Okay, so that's not the right thing to do. Do not trade impulsively. Fear of missing out comes in order for you to trade impulsively. Don't trade outside your strategy. Now, let's say you have entered this trade now. You entered this trade somewhere here. You entered late. You entered somewhere here. And you are hoping for price to keep moving down. Price moved down a bit. Then you can see what happened. It's reversed and definitely it's going to hit your stop loss. So that's why you should not trade impulsively. Follow your strategy. If you miss this first opportunity, another one is going to come. Okay, you can't run out of opportunities, so do not trade impulsively. All right, so don't allow fear of missing out catch up with you. Okay, so those are the 2 tips I have for you today. If you got any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.